strategic influence, right? And it's really not about the sales. It's really about your skill sets. It's really about the trust factor, and it's really about the relationships that you have with people. So the strategic influence comes with the relationships that you build with people. Not really about the sales, not about making the sale, but a relationship with people. And you want to build a genuine relationship where people trust you. They know who you are. They know your face. They know what you have to say is valuable, and they'll be there to hear what you have to say because they know what you're saying is worth hearing and is worth listening to. So there's credibility there. So and that's the main thing. It's really about providing value to the marketplace. So if you want to build strategic influence, you have to give more value back to the marketplace for them to actually retain what you have to say. So the more value you give, the more you get back. So that's the scenario. It's not about people always listening to you. You have to give them value for them to actually care what you have to say. So strategic influence is something that's built over time, over trust, over relationship, over a factor of getting to know who you are and knowing about your brand, knowing about you, and liking you, having a like factor. So if they know, like, and trust you, you have that strategic influence over them because they listen to you as an authority figure, right? So you have that, you've built that up because you have an audience now, and that's how you actually build strategic influence.
Yeah!